Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today's video is just going to be an update video because I feel like you guys deserve a bit of an update and explanation about why I haven't been posting as much as I used to or as much as I would like to. Long story short, it's just the fact that I've had a couple of different jobs that I've been working on, and I'm finally finishing, so that's something that's going to be good for you guys and for myself because it's just been a little bit of a hectic situation, but it's just been time management, so so that's just on me. But the second reason why I didn't mention is something that's a little bit more personal. As much as I'd like to share a lot with you guys when it comes to photography, like photo shoots, behind the scenes, and lighting tutorials and stuff like that, there's some stuff that just happens behind the scenes, behind the scenes, that you just don't see. Not just for myself, but any YouTuber or any content creator out there. And I just wanted to let you guys know what happened. About a week and a half ago, my dad passed away at the end of May. And it's something that is very personal, but I wanted to let you guys know because I want to start making my channel and my content and just myself a little bit more personal. I want to share with you guys a little bit more intimately, I guess that's the best word. Yeah, so my dad passed away, but there was a lot of stuff that happened health-wise over the past months before that kind of just invaded my mind, and I felt sad and stuff like that. But I was planning to go to Michigan to spend time with my dad this summer, so that was going to be another thing that kind of consumed my time. But I was planning to make more content over there as well. But yeah, so that happened, and it kind of I'm dealing with it myself right now the way I am, and the best way I found that I'm able to do that is to just kind of keep myself busy and create content. So that's something that's going to be beneficial for you guys. So I do want to give you guys a quick thanks to anybody out there who gave me kind words of support and messages and stuff. So I really appreciate that. Keep them coming. If you guys have any personal stories, I would love to hear them about how you deal with this kind of situation. Sorry about that. I'm working on something back there. But yeah, I wanted to keep this video kind of unedited to kind of give you guys how I make my videos. That's actually one reason why I don't make a lot of videos as much as I would like to. I've actually made a lot of videos before, and I felt like they weren't as good as they could be. So I just deleted them entirely. And I'm just that type of guy that just wants to make something perfect or not as great or like what I'm doing right now, just stumbling over my words. I tend to just mess up so much times that I get frustrated and I delete the video. So I kind of wanted to keep this video real and not edit it as much as I would like to. But yeah, so that's another reason why I tend to not want to put anything out there that I think is just not as good as it could be. So I'm going to try to start working against that, try to put out videos that are just helpful and educational, even if they aren't as perfect as I would like them to be, because that's something that just kind of prevents me from making videos. I've actually recorded a couple of videos like last month, and I just thought they were horrible and I just deleted them. So yeah, so I just wanted to keep it real with you guys and not edit this video the way that I usually do. Before I forget, I did want to mention, like I mentioned a second ago, how stuff happens behind the scenes. There are some fans and YouTube people on YouTube that kind of push me and get mad, like, why haven't you done this, or make this, you need to make this, I'm expecting this. Just kind of just keep in mind that we are people who who do YouTube and stuff are real people, and we have stuff that happens. And like I said before, with me, something very personal happened, so it impacted me a lot. But again, I don't really like to put out this negative energy out. I like to keep things very positive and happy. But yeah, stuff happens, and I want to start being more honest and real with you guys and more personal. And that's actually one reason why I wanted to make this video as a kind of a transition into what my channel is going to be. And if you guys are subscribed for all the educational content and stuff, that's still going to happen, but I'm just going to include a little bit more stuff like what's been going on in my life, and vlogs when I go to like Photo Plus or WPPI, for example. And again, like I said before, I actually filmed WPPI vlogs and Photo Plus vlogs, and I just didn't put them out because I didn't feel like they were good. If you guys are interested in seeing those, let me know. But yeah, I want to keep this video short. You know, it's probably long enough already. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the videos to come. I have a couple that I'm working on right now. That's actually one photo that I'm working on from the shoot that I want to put out like tomorrow or hopefully today. But yeah, so I have a lot of things to review, a lot of modifiers. I have cheetah stand modifiers. I have glow, the brand from Adorama, the glow modifiers. I have those to review as well. So yeah, a lot of interesting videos are coming. If you guys are not subscribed, please do subscribe. That would really help me out. If you guys are already subscribed, please hit that notification bell. I don't know if you guys already hit that before, but it should be next to the subscribe button. So yeah, that's the best way to get notified when I make a video. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff helps me out and helps me create content for you guys. So yeah, sorry for keeping this video a little bit unscripted, but again, I wanted to keep it very real. Hope you guys enjoy the videos to come, and I'll see you guys in the next video.